Hey, what's up guys, my name is Supers and today I'm doing a short tutorial video on how to fix game capture on OBS showing with a black screen. I've been seeing a lot of problems with this on like Reddit and stuff, and this was 3 years ago. I'm not sure if it's still a problem, but if it is to you, then this is just a little thing that hopefully helps you. So you're gonna want to go to scenes. I'm gonna put Geometry Dash as an example, because that's one I've been having a problem with. And then the screen will be black for a few seconds, but it's just how OBS works. So you're going to want to click the scene that says Geometry Dash. You're going to want to add a source, click Game Capture, and then call it whatever you want. And then this is where it's going to get a little complicated. Can I click? I can. Okay, good. This is working. No, hang on. And then let me turn off. Okay, yeah. So as you can see right here, I'm in Geometry Dash or Capture, and you're gonna want to make it capture specific window, and then Geometry Dash.exe or whatever your program is, and then right here, we're gonna click on Geometry Dash. The screen will be black for a second. All right. And then it might still be black. I don't know. If it is, then that's just how you fix it. But then you're gonna want to go in whatever game it is. You're gonna want to check off full screen and set it to a window, because it said capture specific window. And yes. So then we have that, and it'll go black again for a second, or it might just go Geometry Dash. So then, if you want to play on full screen, if you just want to play window, then that's how you do it. The problem solved. If you want to play in full screen, you're going to want to change this to capture any full screen application, and just click OK. And then we're going to set it back to Geometry Dash. And then click full screen. And let's see. Alright. Yep, there we go. So this has worked every time I did it. If it isn't working for you, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's just how I did it. Yeah. So then you can like rescale it to whatever you want. And you're gonna have to redo it every time. It's kind of annoying, but it's just the only way I've figured out how to do it. And yes, it works if you record it. So I hope this video helped. If it didn't, then leave a comment and tell me what's happening. And if it did, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. So I hope this helped. No outro. I don't want to waste your time. All right, bye.